What's the meaning of curlicue? Curlicue. Curlicue.
Curlicue. Curlicue. A curlicue is a decorative, looping design that resembles a curled-up spiral or wave. It is often used to adorn calligraphy, handwriting, or typography. Curlicues can be found in various forms of art, such as painting, sculpture, and architecture. They are also popular in graphic design and advertising as a way to add a touch of elegance and whimsy to a project. Overall, curlicues are a beautiful and intricate form of decoration that can enhance the visual appeal of any creative work.